What's the T YouTube? I'm possibly on my motherfucking way to school in this motherfucking big ass boat of a car. This bitch driving slow. Girl, shut up, bitch. Anyway, I was just possibly blogging about this topic. My girl got a gay friend. And I got a bunch of bitches in the car. And I want to know if these hoes think about this shit. So how do you bitches feel about dudes who don't like their girls to have gay friends? Bitch, he gay.
Why you gonna be mad? He ain't fucking with you.
Bitch, it is not. Okay, it is not like, bitch. I want his girlfriend. I mean, bitch. I mean.
I didn't have no problem with me having a gay friend. We used to go out every day after work and kick it and party. I get so fucking drunk, I don't know how I made it home.
Girl, and Miss Shy. Hey y'all, this is my future co-host.
Hello.
Yeah. Anyway, bitch, what you think about this topic, girl? You playing? You putting on makeup and shit. Girl, fuck your makeup, bitch. We going here to see these same ass motherfucking students, bitch, that we done been seeing for the last 4 weeks, bitch. I'm the only boy in this class, bitch. I don't want you. Girl. Girl, shut your motherfucking ass up, girl. We is not gonna do this on camera, girl. Girl, that third girl, y'all know who that third girl is, bitch. We driving past her house. Hey, Kanoya, bitch. Anyway. So, yes, honey, I honestly don't understand why and bitch, it always is a problem, bitch. Niggas be ready to fight, bitch. I don't want you with that motherfucker. I'll be like, girl, I hope not. Girl, no, I think I know what it is. I know exactly what it is. You know how, bro, I'm a man. And, bitch, you know I know the team. I know exactly how men think, because, bitch, I think like that. I just fuck with men. Girl, so they possibly get mad because we tell what's real, bitch. Your nigga ain't shit, bitch. He ain't got shit going for himself, bitch. He fucking somebody else, bitch. And you know, bitch, how you know, bitch, because I would be fucking somebody else if I was fucking with your dumb ass too, you know. I mean, that's the real thing. And bitch, I think they get mad about that because I would tell you, bitch, if I was your motherfucking man, bitch, and you as dumb as you acting now, bitch, I'd be fucking somebody. Oh, girl, I got this camera on you, girl. If I was your motherfucking man, bitch, and you was as dumb as you was if you was with me, bitch, I'd be fucking somebody else too. You know, so I think they get mad about that. I honestly don't give a fuck.
I got a problem.
What's your problem? Is this about your man? Because if it is, bitch, I'm turning this camera off because he might just whoop your ass. Okay, this is none of y'all business. I'm going to talk to my friend and I'm going to give her some advice. Her man might not like me after this. But anyway, y'all have a nice day. Bye-bye.